welcome back to the Line 5 channel. Today I got my sidekick here, Brody, my oldest. He'll be helping me bake today, and today we're making mini sprinkle cupcakes. They're great for a toddler's birthday party. They're great to put in someone's lunchbox. They're great as a mini dessert at night. They're really easy and fun to make. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see our future videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks. Okay, so we have 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. We have 1 room temperature egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 1/2 cups of milk, 1/2 stick or 60 grams of melted butter. And then we have 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And then, of course, your sprinkles of choice. I'm using this Sweet Tooth Fairy Sweet Pea Sprinkle Mix, but whichever sprinkles you have on hand or whatever you would like to use. So you're going to start with your melted butter, and to that you're going to essentially add your wet ingredient. So vanilla extract, the egg, and the milk.
Which is this?
And mix it all together, essentially just to break down the egg. You're going to add in your sugar. Mix it together. Add your flour. And your baking powder and baking soda. Put that together really well. And then you're going to add in your sprinkles. And just lightly mix that together. Good job. And you'll preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And you'll get your mini cupcake pan. And I've just lined them with different colors of cupcake liners. And you'll divide your batter into your cupcake liners.
Okay. About a little bit more than that.
You put them in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes, and so I just finished, and I got a total of 24 mini ones, which took the full 10 minutes to cook in the oven. And then I had enough batter left over to do 2 regular size cupcakes, and those took a total of 18 minutes to be cooked through. And for both of them, all I did was let them cool for 3-4 minutes in the baking pan when they came out, and then I moved them all to a cooling rack to let them cool down completely. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.